Salve, here Gabriele Paganelli with Authentic Italian Cuisine. And with me I have Attilio Landolfi.
Salve everyone. I will say that it's appreciate that to be here with Pagenelli and Master Chef and learning something that I would like to continue to do in my life. So I thank you.
Very good. Today we are cooking for some friends and family, and we are making a nice appetizer board appetizer. We are making a crostino with some stracciatella and fresh figs. Okay, and after we have olives. I have this nice olives that just came last week from Italy. They are fresh, they are sweet, and we're gonna cook them with some cherry tomato, basil, garlic, and olive oil. And after we continue with the basic pasta that we can have every time we feel like and we need to eat in a rush, whatever, spaghetti, aglio, olio, e peperoncino. The first step is to cook the garlic a little bit in the oil, and after we put inside here, and we finish to cook it.
So these are sweet olives or sour olives?
Sweet olives.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So sweet olives, so we don't need to put in the salt to eat it. Okay, so this we just saute.
So people can enjoy them without curing them or anything else.
So the oil is hot, and the garlic release all its flavor in the oil. So now we start to cook this. So the tomato will release some of the water to cook the olives. So this is just 5 minutes, and this is ready.
Gabriele, for how long are we cooking this recipe for? This
is about 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
And then after 5 minutes, what do we do with it?
We're gonna eat them.
Oh, beautiful. So that means people can enjoy our work. I love it. I love it.
And those with a nice piece of pugliese bread that were very,
beautiful.
Very.
And the smell is fantastic.
Yeah. And after, when you eat the olives, you will be very impressed. Ecco qua. I'm mixing it so we can cook all of them, even the one on the top here.
Beautiful, beautiful. So you from the north of Italy, where did you learn how to do all these kind of cooking from the south side?
I love cooking.
Okay.
So every recipe that I could, and I try to learn, and if I like it, I like to cook it.
Beautiful. So you like it, if you like it, you wanted to serve it.
Yes.
That's exactly what it is.
Yes. And the Italian cuisine is very simple, and this is
Simple.
a simple one.
Beautiful.
And I say that the food was invented by poor people. So simple and tasty.
Well, the majority of Italian cooking was invented by poor people, farmers, that they didn't have much to do or much to cook with, and that's what they came up with, right?
Yeah.
Gabriele, you're making me hungry.
Adesso andiamo a mangiare.
He said it's time to eat almost, so we're going to enjoy this, and we'll take over with the next plate, I guess.
Let me try this.
All right. Good. What's that? Eh? These olives, you told me they came from Puglia.
Yes.
I remember in my own time when I was in Italy, which I came here in 1979, I remember only the green olives. Never seen these before, but I got to tell you one thing. I went to Greece a few weeks ago, and I saw these exactly olives, and I was wondering what they were. And now that we're here, tell me about it.
It's a kind of olives that is sweet. You can preserve like the other one, and they are black. So it's like a peach. There is the peach. That one is a regular peach, and the other one is the nectarine. So it's a kind of olives that is black and is sweeter. So you can do a lot of other things. You understand? So when you do the pizza, people ask for green olives or black olives.
Black olives,
the black olives are always sweeter than the green one. And with those olives, you can make oil too. Eh?
So
Good.
First plate is ready.
Queste sono pronte. Here, this is our antipasto that we're gonna have today. So we have the olives, we have the pecorino cheese, we have some brie, we have some friulano flavored with red wine. So we have some Parma prosciutto, some cacciatore, we have some pugliese bread, of course, that goes with the Barese olives, and we have the crostino with stracciatella made at grande cheese and a fig, a fresh figs that even that come from Italy right now. After the appetizer, we're gonna do
The spaghetti, aglio, olio, and peperoncino.
and the spaghetti aglio olio. What is it?
It's spaghetti, aglio, which is garlic, and oil, which is olive oil, and peperoncino.
Is the
Hot pepper.
most pasta cooked in the world, but is a very simple pasta that you can cook it in 5 minutes. So just 10 minutes to cook the pasta. Depends what it says in here in the package. If it says 10 minutes or 12 minutes or 13 minutes, longer is the cooking time, better is the pasta. Okay, so now we're gonna start. We have here the boiling water. Okay, we put sea salt. Okay, the sea salt has the flavor of the algae. Okay, if you use mine salt, has no flavor. I like to use the sea salt because it reminds me where I am from. Okay, and because I was born 200 meters from the Adriatic Sea. So after this, we're gonna put 100 grams of pasta per person. If you have no salt in the pasta, has no flavor. So after feels like that you are missing something.
So better have a little bit of saltiness than no salt at all. Correct?
Yes. In the meantime, we are cooking the pasta. We prepare the sauce. The sauce is very simple. Extra virgin olive oil. That is this one. Some chopped sliced garlic, whole clove if you don't want to eat the garlic after and all those things. And now we cook it. As soon as it's boiled, we're gonna put the chili pepper inside. This is a fresh chili pepper. I am a guy that doesn't like overpower the food with garlic. Okay, so I had even some articles that was talking about me that I was not using garlic. The first time I opened my own restaurant in downtown Toronto, I didn't use garlic for 1 year. Second year, I used oil infusing garlic because I needed to teach people that working with me how to flavor the food, not to overpower it.
So how long do we cook the garlic?
Do you see
for?
this is just releasing the flavor of the garlic in the oil. The oil is our sauce.
So basically, we have about 2-3 minutes of boiling garlic.
Even less. You don't wanna.
So let's say a minute and a
wanna
half?
burn.
Minute and a half. We are in the chilling pepper.
Yes, you don't wanna color the
garlic.
the
So
garlic
you don't
too
want to
much.
burn the garlic.
No.
So you want
now-
the garlic to be fresh as
now-
you cut it.
Yes.
Good.
Now you see we have all the stuff in our garlic and chili
Peperoncino.
Peperoncino. Now you have to cool that down a bit because the other way is going to continue cooking. Okay, and this is our sauce. Now we're going to take you guys to see how they make the Parmigiano, how they make this Parmigiano. And we're going to go to Parma, Emilia, in Parma, okay, where they make the Parmigiano. We're going to a place where they make 100 Parmigianos every day.
E dammi un abbraccio che siamo solo noi due.
È buono il vino? Okay, welcome back. So now we are almost ready to see the pasta that is cooked. I'll show you the pasta here. So the pasta, you see, comes all bent down. Let's see this one piece only. You see, when bends down properly, whatever is not stays thick anymore. So looks like that is almost cooked. This takes another minute maybe. Okay, so we can try it. This is al dente. Okay, so we can start to remove it. Put in the oil here.
Gabriele, after we did this process, what else do we put on the pasta?
Today I put cheese, but this is a pasta in this way that maybe you can have it with no cheese. Ecco qua, questo è il nostro, this is our spaghetti aglio olio. I come from the north. In my family, I was the first one to bring home the chili pepper at 15 years old. Good. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.